Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a wire in SolidWorks. We will explore the fundamental steps involved in using the sweep feature, a versatile tool for generating complex shapes like wires and cables. You will learn to define both the path and the profile, ensuring your wire models are accurate and visually appealing. This process is straightforward and highly effective for various design needs. The first crucial step is to define the wire's path. Navigate to the Sketch tab and select Three-Dimensional Sketch. Here, you can use lines, arcs, and splines to accurately trace the intended route of your wire. Remember to add dimensions and relations to fully define your sketch, ensuring the path is stable and predictable for the sweep operation. Next, we need to define the wire's cross-section, or profile. If you're creating a custom profile, start a new two-dimensional sketch on a plane that is perpendicular to the beginning of your three-dimensional path. Draw a circle at the sketch origin and set its diameter, perhaps to 2 millimeters. For simple wires, SolidWorks also offers a convenient circular profile option directly within the sweep feature, saving you a step. With both the path and profile ready, it's time to execute the sweep. Go to the Features tab and select Swept Boss/Base. In the Property Manager, choose your circular profile sketch for the Profile selection box. Then, select your three-dimensional path sketch for the Path selection box. Once both are selected, click the green checkmark to complete the command and generate your three-dimensional wire.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.